guys, you know me. Now I've been sent a parcel from...
It's Tom and our UK Lock Sport Forum, aka NONAME. Thank you, my friend. He wanted to send a package to Pickbaby. So this is the opening of the package. I've cut along the edge a little bit there with a sharper knife, but it's not actually been opened yet.
Didn't you say that you thought that he also gave you something, Dad?
Well, he did mention that he's put something in there for me.
Well, you might be want to open it.
I said he didn't have to, but he thought since he was sending you something, he'd send me something. So, thank you, my friend, and I'm looking forward to seeing it. Can you cut through, darling?
Just the end here.
Watch your hands. Just cut it, don't try. That's alright, you can just cut it like you would do normally.
Oh, this looks a bit...
And Pickbaby's wearing the fantastic YouTube t-shirt sent to me by kind of J.M. Murdy.
It doesn't exactly fit.
Ah, business card.
Christmas?
Business, not Christmas. Let's have a look.
So like you said, Christmas.
Hey, just a little gift, nothing special. Hope it's okay.
I just literally wanted to do that for fun. What does this say?
There you go, NONAME. Right, let's have a look.
It says just a what?
Just an idea. Right, there's a lot of question marks on there.
There's like something inside. There's some paper. I think I should try and open it.
You can do, but just be careful because you don't know what's in it. Use the scissors.
I've already done it. I'll keep that question mark out, just in case. Now this does look like a slip. Oh guys, if you look at there, this has a picture of a Pickbaby sign.
Because it's NONAME that also made you.
Ah! And he also made a few...
Oh, stickers.
He also must have took one off and stuck them on here. Yes.
Oh, they're fantastic.
Yes. And there's a few other stuff in here. Now this looks interesting.
What's it? Pick Boy.
I just think it's quite funny how my dad is, and also Pick Boy's a bit funny.
Let's pop these to one side.
And that. Let's see. I just like to pop these. I'm gonna pop these. Is this gonna? Oh.
He's having more fun blowing things up, Tom. Right.
This is right under these stickers.
Let's take
Now
this
how
in.
Dad, how am I gonna open this?
Right, let me look.
Literally just sell it.
No, it's masking.
Ah, Dad, look.
Cut, yeah, down the edge.
I can see that. It's a bit. Oh. There.
Right, hang on.
How am I gonna open it?
Right, you hold the box.
I think there's something quite.
I should have kept somebody standing
What's that
over.
thing? That's there. Oh, you just got that.
Right, that's it.
Ooh.
Alright, be careful unwrapping it.
Yes. Oh, I'm gonna have the fun popping this.
Look at that. Yeah, don't be popping all the stuff. Let's just have a look at these fantastic pics.
Ooh, cool. Wow. Now those guys are quite good. But as you can see, I could match the colours up here.
Right, just pop them on there so we can try and get the
Enemy.
camera in to look at.
They're
Don't move them a bit further down.
Yeah, because it looks like a pattern. Now,
Fantastic custom pics again. Again, sorry guys, my camera doesn't autofocus.
And also, my dad's hand is going a bit fizzy. By the looks of it, it looks like it's going a bit shaky.
So I'm trying to angle down, darling.
And now just one thing that's on the... Oops. That was just from squeezing it, guys. I'm squeezing in the pocket.
So they're absolutely fantastic, Tom. I think Pickbaby has got more custom picks than anybody on
And especially
YouTube.
you.
So let's pop those to one side.
That's just it. Case. If I just pop.
Right, that's the one for me.
Should I just drop this on the floor?
Yeah, pop it down there, darling.
There
So
you go.
Wada C2 couldn't gift one without the other. Do you want to open that for me, darling?
Yeah. Oh,
Again, I'll probably have to.
cut it open.
Yeah.
Especially it's yours. I bet it's custom picks like mine.
I'm not sure. Might be.
If you do it.
Let's move that to
Whoa.
one side.
Whoa. Whoa.
Now, that is outstanding.
You're lucky.
Half diamond.
What do you mean by half diamond?
Can you see on the tip?
Where?
Right on the edge.
Ah, yeah. It looks like.
It's like a diamond type shape, but it's half diamond. That is beautiful, Tom, my friend, and cannot wait to have a play with that. Beautiful, really is. And sorry I keep moving Pickbaby out of focus. It's awkward trying to multitask.
What does that mean?
Do 2 different or 3 different things at the same time, darling.
How can you do 3 things? You haven't got 3 arms.
Well, you've got 2 arms, so you can help me. Apart from popping that and exploding things. So yeah, an outstanding package, Tom, my friend. Really, really love them. And Pickbaby can add these, say, to his custom pick collection. So guys, thanks for watching.
Happy picking, and please.
Keep it legal.
Bye, guys.
Cheers, Tom. Bye, guys.
Go video.